Hello friends, welcome to video number 2 on failure mode effect analysis FMEA. In this video, we will discuss how to give severity rating. Let's discuss the severity first. As we discussed earlier, severity is the effect of failure. This effect of failure or error can be ranked based on the end user. It means customer that will use the product or service, or based on the next operation. It means next operation where the product will be used. We will discuss the case of automotive industry and will give severity ranking based on customer effect, it means end user effect, and manufacturing and assembly effect, it means next operation effect. First effect is failure to meet safety and or regulatory requirement. It means with respect to the end customer, safety is the concern and regulatory requirement is also a concern. Potential failure mode affects safe vehicle operation and or involves non-compliance with the government regulation. So vehicle meeting an accident is impacting safe vehicle operation. So take a case where brake fails. It means safe vehicle operation is impacted. Non-compliance with the regulation. Take a case, our vehicles in India now are with the BS6 emission compliance. So any failure which results in non-compliance with respect to the BS6 emission norms will fall in this category. So severity 10 affecting the safe vehicle operation and non-compliance with government regulation and without warning. So these two things are happening without warning, calls for severity ranking 10. We discussed brake fail will definitely come as an 10 ranking. Now severity 9 is same, just it's happening with warning. Like we discussed, if BS6 norm is being impacted, then any warning coming on cluster, then it is a severity 9. Now we will discuss severity 10 and 9 with respect to the next operation or manufacturing or assembly effect. May indulge operator without warning. It means any accident will happen with the operator without warning is severity 10 and with warning is severity 9. Now let's discuss severity 8 and 7. Severity 8 and 7 comes into one group, loss of degradation of primary function. So what is primary function? For a vehicle, the primary function is running. If vehicle is running, the primary function is being met. So what severity 8 calls for with respect to the customer? Loss of primary function. It means vehicle inoperable does not affect safe vehicle operation. It means vehicle is not running and it is not impacting safe vehicle operation. If it is impacting safe vehicle operation, then it will come in severity 10 and 9. But here loss of primary function is happening. For example, if engine stops working, so it is a loss of primary function. It will come as a severity 8. The severity 7 is a degradation of primary function. It means vehicle is operable but at reduced level of performance. For example, vehicle is running but not going beyond the speed of 20 or 30. It is a degradation of primary function. Now discuss with respect to the manufacturing or assembly effect. What is severity 8? Major disruption. It means 100% of product may have to be scrapped, line shut down or stop ship. Example, product goes to next operations. It is fitted there and after fitment the output came need to be scrapped. It means a part is fitted into the assembly and the part was defective, and because of that 100% assembly may have to be scrapped. In that case, severity 8 will be given. Line will be shut down in this case. It means because of the failure, complete line has to be shut down. So here the severity will be given as 8. Significant disruption severity 7. It means a portion of the production run may have to be scrapped. In severity 8, 100% product may have to be scrapped. In severity 7, a portion of the production run may have to be scrapped, not the 100%. Deviation from primary process including decreasing line speed or added manpower. At severity 8, line was shut down. Here, the speed is decreased or manpower is added to run the line. Now, severity 6 and 5. With respect to the customer effect, it is loss or degradation of secondary function. Secondary functions are the functions those gives comfort and convenience to end user. For example, AC. If AC is not working, then it is the loss of secondary functions. So severity will be given 6 here. Similarly, degradation of secondary function, vehicle operable but comfort and convenience functions are at reduced level of performance. Severity is 5. In this case, AC is working but not cooling effectively. This is severity 5. Here with respect to manufacturing and assembly effect, it is called moderate disruption. So here 100% of product run may have to be reworked offline and accepted. So here in this case, if the part is assembled, the assembly need to be reworked offline. Let's discuss severity 5. A portion of production run may have to be reworked offline and accepted. Here 100% production run has to be reworked. Here a portion of production run may have to be reworked. Let's discuss severity 4, 3, 2, 1. So with respect to the end user, the severity 4, 3 and 2 is coming in annoyance. Annoyance means something that irritates the customer, but definitely no loss of primary and secondary function. So severity 4, appearance or audible noise. Vehicle operable item does not confirm or notice by most customer more than 75. It means something with respect to the appearance or audible noise. Some noise is coming into the vehicle and that noise is being noted by more than 75% customer. Then it is severity 4. Or anything which impact the appearance, like some rust is coming on the parts and more than 75% customer can notice it. Then it is severity 4. Severity 3 is also same, but now only 50% customer can notice it. It is severity 3. Severity 2, the statement is same, but less than 25% customer can notice it. It is severity 2. Severity 1, no effect, no impact on the end user is severity 1. With respect to the assembly operation, severity 4 and severity 3 is called moderate disruption. So here 100% of the product run may have to be reworked in station before it is processed. So here also rework is being done, 100% rework is being done, but in station and before it is processed. It means before it is going to next operations or before it is going to end. Earlier rework was being done but offline and accepted. So earlier rework was being done offline, so it was severity 6. Now rework is being done in station, it is severity 4. Now in station rework 100% is severity 4 and if a portion of production run may have to be reworked in station before it is processed, then it is severity 3. Severity 2, minor disruption, slight inconvenience to process, operation or operator. So here no loss of the productivity, but some inconvenience to the operator is happening, that is severity 2. Severity 1, no impact on the process, that is severity 1. So this is all in this video. In next video we will discuss about occurrence rating and detection rating. For such type of videos, please subscribe my channel and please connect with me on my LinkedIn profile. Thank you very much.